Hello guys, I have this 3D filament right here, and let's look inside. And okay, what do we have here? We got filament, we got some code thing, random thing. Nice box. If you're thinking that hole is going to be a problem, put some tape on it. You can put big tape from the Dollar Tree on it. Okay, what it comes on is bubble wrap. I have never really seen any of them have that. Most of them come in a box. The bag, this is chocolate filament. Basically, this is PLA chocolate filament. No, you cannot eat it. It'll be kind of dangerous if you eat it. So I recommend not letting little kids think it's chocolate. It looks like I don't need the knife to open this because the seal up here. I can reuse this bag if I want for other things, or chuck the bag because it's really hard to use. Let's try to salvage it. Why don't we? Okay, I'm going to need a knife on this part. Alright. This little piece did not get done correctly. That's all. And yes, if you guys notice, there are shorts of these videos. They're off the original video. I just redo the video afterwards. I don't technically redo the whole thing. I only have one full row. Okay, here's the chocolate. Not chocolate brine. And there's the bag. This is not as thick as the other ones. I've noticed that. And here's the chocolate filament. The reason why I bought chocolate brown, it was really a decent price when I bought it. One of the cheapest I could find. No, I do not buy the $20 rolls if I don't have to. I have a budget to spend on plastic, and I have to watch out. I am not rich. Like some people out there think some people are rich because they have tons of YouTube channels or stuff they do. But you can reuse after the filament and this runs out. You can reuse them, put cables in, cords, random things, give them away to charity. Basically, people who want to use them. You're not going to make hardly anything off these rolls after you're done online because there's a ton of people trying to sell them and they can't make nothing. But let's say you have a family member who needs something to hold extra cable or rope. This would be your next option. Otherwise, you give this like the 4H and that after you're done. Some of them might want to have a whole bunch of them. Let's say you have a 4H group nearby. They could do a project, and you can take these old plastic rolls and they can use them to make something. So why throw when you can give them away? And you can do good for yourself. And that's after you're done making whatever you're going to make off of this. Cardboard, don't do that. Just chuck them or burn them. That's all they are. Use them in your campfire. Otherwise, if you're wondering, this little sticker here is going to be difficult. You can take it off. Hair dryer and a little bit of cooking oil. Cooking oil to remove after you remove the sticker and then rub it off with a rag. Otherwise, and that's the cooking oil you guys probably have in your closet if you're cooking. Otherwise, it looks decent. They have one little wrap. I try my best to, this little snake here, I try my best to bend it out straight enough so I can feed it through the printer. If anything else, I'll cut it down where I have to when I shove it in. And I primarily bought this to make a grill tag stick, modder stick. And I'm probably going to put it away and try on another project. Basically, I'm not going to use this on random projects. I'm only using this on specific projects. Otherwise, the orange the cheap stuff gets used on random projects. That's why you see a lot of orange and gray. Black is one of the cheapest, but gray is decent color. That's why you see me use a lot of gray and orange, because it was cheap. Otherwise, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm too small as is. I paid for it with my own cash. Otherwise, I have a good day. And check the links below for this stuff. I'll link it directly only if they change the link. Like it suddenly goes to a different color, and I won't put it in there. I might just put the name of the product in, so you can guys find it yourself. I cannot read very good, unfortunately. Otherwise, like and subscribe to help me grow to 1,000 subscribers, which will personally help me out. And that's all I ask. Is just click on the subscribe button, please. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye for now.